Hello, and welcome back, guys. So, in this particular function, in this particular problem, what we need to do is we need to write a function that converts a string into title case, right? So, what's a title case? It's a case where, like every other word after a space, is basically capitalized, right? So, there is a default function in Python called capitalize, I guess. I'm just not sure about the American or thing. Capitalize, capitalize, right? Should be something like that. There is a method which basically converts the word into this thing, this format. Okay, capitalize is like it just converts the first thing. There should be another one. Let me just check quickly. Could have done string methods, but I just want to use the help and string. Okay, so let's just do that. Print is there, right? We need help and then str help, right? Let's just run this thing. There should be a word, capitalize or something like that. Okay, so there should be. Let's just see what else are available. Okay, capitalize version of the string. Case for string with caseless comparison. Center, blah blah blah. String methods in Python. Right, when we do that, of course, let's just look at this. Should we capitalize the first character to uppercase? That's not it. Encode format is decimal, is upper, right, is title. Each word to yes, that's it. Title. That's the thing, not capitalized title. You see, it's not required for us to remember all the methods, but you just need to know what's there and what's possible. Okay, so that's it. Let's submit it and let's go into the solutions. Pretty much should be something similar, but some people might have done differently. Right, this guy has what, split and then capitalize every word in it and then done that. I did s dot title, right? So other guy has done something similar. Okay, some other have done it this way. This is more of a DSA kind of way to do it, right? But since there is a method already available, why not use that? Right, since we are using abstract based language, this would be more sort of like C kind of approach, right? Yeah, a lot of people have done title as well, so that's the ideal solution in my opinion, right? Whenever we are using a higher level languages, right, so that we don't have to deal with all those things. But if you want to look at it from a DSA perspective, of course, even there as well, even in C, you will need to use the string library to do some kind of manipulation in it, right? But that's how we solve this particular problem. Thank you for your time. Take care. Bye bye.